Hello guys, my name is Samarpan Dasgupta and today is the part 23 of Flutter social media chat app generation tutorial 2021. In the current video, we are going to see about send and receive document messages and taking the document from the local storage. The document file can be any types, that may be C, C++, Python, Excel, PowerPoint or any types. But starting of that video, I recommended you to check my previous video, that is location, send and receive, and also recommended to check where we made about the document UI management. So that the current video will be extension of that two videos. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Hello guys, let's start with the send and receive document messages. But before starting that, I will recommend you to see about making of document chat messages UI. I made it one of the previous video of the tutorial, the link in the description, you can check it out. And guys, also I recommended you to check my last video, that is part number 22, where we deal about location messages sent and received, because current video link up with that previous two videos. So guys, I am finally start the spread code for send and receive document messages as usual, and as you know, after the spread code I will understand you step by step what I done in the spread code. So guys, please have a patience. So guys, as you know, after the spread code, now I am going to show you the demo of the spread code, that is send and receive document messages, and after the demo I will understand you what I done in the spread code step by step. So guys, please see the demo at first. I think you see that the physical device is appearing to the left of the screen. So now I am going to select a file from physical device local storage and then send it from the left side device to the right side device, that means from the physical device to the virtual device. So I click on that document icon in the rounded circle in the physical device, that is left side device, and I select a document from here, and it is sending from the physical device, that is left side device. So in the physical device you can see that the document is sent, and in the virtual device it is loading, it is coming. Okay, so if in the virtual device we click on that icon, it is opening in the broad form. Okay, so our send and receive document messages backend functionality is totally working fine. Now we are going to see about understanding step by step what we done in the spread code. So guys, you can see when I click on that document icon in that rounded circle, it is taking the file from the local storage, the document file as well. Okay, so that icon, document icon in the rounded circle is denoting here. Okay, so document scanner outline, we made this when we work with that UI to making that rounded circle. So if you follow my tutorial previous videos, you are aware of that. Okay, so here you can when we work with document message UI video, the link in the description also, you can check it out if you don't see it before. We also made this method, pick file from storage. So come here and all these things through that selected portion we made when we work with document messages UI make. So I don't explain it again because I also explained when I made these all the things. Where I made this all the things, the video link in the description, check it out. So here I changed from here. Actually we started the loading here and then we take the message time as well, and after that we uploaded the file path to the cloud as well. Okay, actually from here to here under pick file from storage, that selected portion is almost similar under voice and audio sent method through that selected section. Okay, as you know, in my previous video I also explaining in that similarity context. So that selected portion on the right side under voice and audio sent is 99.9% similar with that selected portion under pick file from storage that we made in the split code. So what we done here we first start the loading, then take the message time, then take the downloaded document path. And as you know, here we done about recorded file path for voice and audio, but here we change something because after iterating through file picker result.file, we take the every file and we upload the file path to the cloud Firestore as well. Okay, and make the chat reference as chat documents, and that file is uploaded to the Firebase storage as well. And then we check if the document downloaded part is not null, so that means that document is uploaded successfully. And then we made the same thing that we done here under voice and audio sent method. So the same things I also done here. What things is changed? Chat message type dot audio changed to chat message types dot document, and the key value is here downloaded voice path dot toString, but here it is changed to downloaded document path as we named it as a downloaded document path dot toString. And then we provided here dot file extension concatenate with plus, because the pickup file is many types, just like PDF, C file, C++, a Python file, or Excel file, or many other. There is many types of document present. That's why we have to provide the file extension through that. Okay, so what we done, we take the downloaded document path and dot file extension concatenate with plus, and then provided the message time as usual for the value. Here we also provided that. And then in the nested method that we also done before, I not explain it again. And then that selected portion is same with that selected portion under voice and audio sent method. So what changed in that section, in the left side section? So here you can see that chat message type dot audio is changed to chat message types dot document, and recorded file path dot toString is changed to file, taking the file path and converted to the string. And then we close the loading. So that's about the sent document messages. Now we will see about receive document messages. For that we have to come here. In the last video, if you see, you can see that we check if the incoming message is location type, then we switch to that method manage incoming location messages. But here we also, in that video, in the split code, I make another checking condition. If that is type of document, then we switch to that method manage incoming message data that we also used before. But here we change the argument type of chat message type as chat message type dot document. Okay, so come here in that method, and then that method chat manage incoming media messages. I explained that method many times in my previous videos. I put the link in the description if you not see the previous video, because as I explained in the previous videos, I not explain it again and again. I only explain what I changed in that current video split code. Okay, so if you see the previous video, then only one condition present. If the chat message type is video types, then we take splitting with plus and taking the 0 index. But here we also add another condition with our operator, that if that is type of document, if the message type is document type, then also apply that whole the things. Okay, and then here if you see in the previous video, in that document extension, here I by default put the .pdf in when I first making that method manage incoming media messages. But here I changed something. As you can see in the sent document messages, we pass the file extension concatenate with plus with the actual file downloaded path. Then so we take that media message dot keys dot first, because that keys dot first is containing the document downloaded part, and file extension concatenate with plus, and then splitting with plus and giving the want index, because as you know, in the the left side of that plus was the document downloaded path, and the right side was the file extension. So we take the one index, and this is denoting the file extension, that is incoming messages as a type. Okay, so that once actually one index of splitting with plus denoting the file extension as well. Okay, and I never change anything in that method except these two things. That extra condition is added here, and change the extension as splitting with plus and taking the one index, and that method manage incoming media messages is totally same except these two, just like previous. So if you not see my previous video where I made that method about manage incoming media messages, I put the link in the description. Please check it out, it will be fruitful to you for understand. So that's all about sent and receive document messages. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get next video updates. Next video will come very soon. Have a nice day. Bye bye.